Midea mini split showing a P6 code right after turning on. That usually means there's something up with compressor protection or the condensate pump, so let's get that sorted fast. Okay, first off, if you see that P6 code pop up immediately, don't just reset and hope it goes away. Check if your unit has a condensate pump because that's often the culprit. Sometimes the internal pump is fine, but the external lift pump can fail or get clogged. Give the condensate pump a good cleaning or replacement if needed. Also, make sure to do a full power cycle after clearing the code. Turn off everything and wait like 3 minutes to let the capacitors fully drain. This helps avoid getting stuck with a P8 code on the outdoor unit. If your refrigerant levels are good and no leaks are found, then focus on the condensate pump and its safety switch, since a stuck open switch can cause communication errors. Lastly, inspect wiring connections between indoor and outdoor units because loose wires can mess with compressor protection signals. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a Midea mini split P6 code is ignoring the condensate pump's role. Sometimes it's not pumping right or the safety switch is open, causing error codes. Fix it by cleaning or swapping out the pump and resetting the system properly. Another common issue is skipping the full power cycle. Just resetting without waiting can leave capacitors charged and trigger new errors like a P8 outdoor unit code. Lastly, people often overlook wiring problems between the indoor and outdoor units that mess with compressor protection signals. Tighten and check all connections to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their way around HVAC systems like Midea mini splits. It also gives contractors a solid platform to find new jobs and build their reputation in the community.